Hey, I'm Katie and welcome to Spotless. So you've probably heard of Le Creuset. It's a popular brand of enameled cast iron cookware and it has gained a cult following. I'm a big fan myself. I mean, they're durable, they're beautiful, and they're easy to clean. I'm gonna show you the simplest way to clean your enamel cast iron cookware, and then I'm gonna let you in on my favorite cleaning hack to get out those stubborn stains. So because Le Creuset has this shiny enamel surface, it's actually easier to clean than regular cast iron. And it's technically dishwasher safe, but if you want your pots and pans to last for as long as possible, hand washing is best. So the first step when you're cleaning enameled cast iron cookware is you want to let the pan cool down. Because if you take a scorching hot pan and place it into cold water, it can create what's called thermal shock, which could end up cracking the enamel. And you definitely don't want that. Once cool, you want to wash the pan with warm water and dish soap using a scrubber sponge. You don't want to use a metal sponge or steel wool because they can scratch the surface. But if you do have any stuck on food, grab a silicone pan scraper, which won't harm the enamel. You can also soak the pan in warm soapy water if you have a really big mess. Rinse and dry the pan before putting it away. Sometimes, even once you've cleaned a pan, there are still some stubborn stains. Here's my favorite trick for cleaning a Le Creuset. Grab a box of baking soda and mix it with water in a bowl to form a paste. Then take a soft sponge and apply the paste to the pan. The mix is mildly abrasive, so the stains will completely disappear, but it won't harm the enamel. Look at this, the pan looks good as new. We're gonna chat about the secret to cleaning scorched stainless steel pans. So it happens to even the best home cooks from time to time. But that burnt on mess does not mean the skillet is destroyed forever. I'm gonna share the real simple editor-approved secret to making burnt pans look shiny and new. This is a burnt on mess. If we were to scrub this, it would take forever. So first you wanna put the pan on the burner and get it piping hot. Once the pan is hot, pour in some water and use a wooden spoon to scrape up any stuck on food bits. Be careful because this will create a lot of steam and should bubble up. Once most of the food has been removed, turn off the heat and let the pan cool down. Add in just a squirt of dish soap, then use a long-handled scrubber to scrape up any of the remaining oil or grime that's still on the pan. At this point, all of the really tough mess should just rinse away. Using a sponge and some warm soapy water, you want to just give the pan a final clean, scrubbing in a circular motion. Then rinse the pan thoroughly, dry it completely before you put it away, and the pan should look brand new. Want to learn how to make everything else in your home spotless? Click subscribe so you won't miss an episode.